right, what are you doing today? And tell me what are you working on, Milan?
I'm doing piano.
Oh, okay. Well, can we record you?
Yes.
All right. Can you smile for the camera? Oh, beautiful. Okay, let's see. Press play. Remember, thumb is on C. Put your thumb on C. There you go. Take your time. Take your time. Good. Play a little harder so it can pick you up. A little louder. Here we go. Get ready. C. Good. Wait. Good. What note are you playing?
Letter C and D.
C and D. Good. Get ready. A little harder. Play it a little harder. There you go. Hold on. C. Okay. All right. You all right over there? Okay, good. Okay, stay focused. Little louder. Good. C. I can't hear you. Rest. C. Listen to it. C. Rest. C. Rest. Okay. Wow. I don't hear you playing. Rest. C. Rest. C. Rest. Not so fast. Rest. C. Rest. C. Rest. C. Play a little harder. C. Rest. Oh, where's note D? Good. Okay, what notes are you playing?
C.
And?
D.
Good. Here we go. Get ready. Get ready. Here we go. C. Good. What note is that? Good. Let me hear you play it. Good. Can you bop to the beat? Find the beat. Good. Here we go. Let me hear. C. Good. C. Good. C. Good. Are you having fun? Right. Okay, here we go.
C.
Good, come on.
C.
Good.
C.
Good. Oh, yeah. All right. What do you like about piano class?
Hi guys, piano was so fun. And I really love piano, and sometimes I play piano at home and have fun.
Okay.
And I do some with my friends. So.
Oh, anything particular about piano with Miss Christine and Miss Robin that you enjoy?
I enjoy everything, and I love Thanksgiving.
Everything
like piano.
Okay.
Because Thanksgiving is for point, and you can have a wonderful day at Thanksgiving. Bye.
Okay, bye.